Hey everybody, got a little box from Australia in today. Some interesting parts that I got for the R31. We're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing on that, have you take a look at what we got, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned. Alrighty, let's get into this box and see what we got here. So from Australia, I've been looking for these for a while. Pretty rare to find since they've been out of production as far as I know. And when I found them online, they're reproductions. So I thought, oh man, I got to get these things. And I've just been dilly-dallying around trying to, I don't know, just being lazy and not getting them. And then finally I just said, well, you know, what the hell, you know, hoping that these tariffs would be done and I wouldn't have to deal with them anymore, but we're just gonna have to stick with them for a while. And I'll gladly pay them anyway. But anyway, it's neither here nor there. Anyway, what do we got in here? Well, let's see. We got two things. First thing we got here, this is the first item for the actual show, or the channel, so to speak. Been looking for one of these for a while. It's the extendable pointer, so I can point at stuff and say, hey, that's cool, or look at that. That's pretty cool. And it's funny, I went to Japan. I've been to Japan multiple times and I've never found this. I've never been able to find it anywhere, and then I saw this on the website. All right, this is what we're looking at right here. Now, the company I ordered from in Australia was called Barrel Bros. I placed the order, oh my God. I placed the order on, let me see, I placed it on a Thursday night, I think, or Friday night, excuse me. Oh, Thursday night, and it is now Monday. And here's my items. Oh, and cool, they hooked me up with a Barrel Bros sticker. I was hoping they'd do that, considering how much the shipping was. Asinine. But here we go. Oh my goodness. Look at these. These are amazing. Oh, sorry. There we are. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So now I have brand new center caps for the R31. And a Barrel Bros sticker to go with it. Yes. So that is quite awesome. So we'll get those installed. We're going to do a polishing of the wheels and get these on the wheels themselves. Take the old crappy ones off and go from there. Okay, we're going to do a wheel refresh today. Some of the things that have been bugging me about this wheel is these center caps. Center caps are old. And it's amazing what's needed, I guess, to keep them on. This is prior to me. Duct tape. I guess because the clips are broken on them. Anyway, we're going to replace those today. And then we're going to address some of the kind of water spots and stuff like that on the wheel. But yeah, we're going to refresh the wheels today. All right, here's what's going to happen today. If I were to remove the old center caps, and ask the old new ones, I'm going to use some of this. They say this is the best shine, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes with that. Not sponsored by them. And then one of these cones hooked up to a drill to help polish the barrels and lip of the wheel. And I think that should be all we need to do. And maybe I'll do a little wax on the inside painted section of the wheel as well too. So wheel refresh day. Now here's the front side. I don't know if you can see the marks all along that. Gotta polish them out. I hope they come out. And clean up this and probably wax the center as well. Get that nice and shiny. New cap on, put it on the car, and we're golden. 3 more to go after that. All right, here we have the inside of the wheel. I washed it up the best I could. Let's see, it is Speedstar RS8 in Japan. I don't know what the other one is. 8 casting number or something. I have no idea. Maybe anybody know? Let me know what that is. 8 and 88, and below the 8 is 13, and below the 88 is like B1. So I have no idea what that is. Serial number, what have you. Anyway, that's the back side of them. So we're going to try and clean that up a bit. Not spend too much time on it, but some of it. And I can personally vouch for mothers. Look at that. Got everything out. It turned out great. Now I'm going to actually wax the spokes. Let me show you what I'm going to use. This is some wax I got in Japan. It's called Japan wax, I guess. And it is very good for the exterior of the vehicle. And here's how the wheels turned out after the rebuild. Or actually, new center caps and cleanup. Looks great. So happy with them.